Part 4, Beauty Tips. As I've told you earlier, Goldsmith, by characterizing beauty tips, is not commenting on an individual who is poor but behaving like a rich man, but is pointing to the fact that people tend to behave artificially when they need to behave naturally. Goldsmith apparently felt that the English nobility had degenerated. Since the time of Pope, the English noblemen who had once been the patrons and exponents of learning lacked the same during Goldsmith's time. You see, this has been described by Pope and Dryden also in detail, where English nobility had nothing to do with learning and etiquettes and manners, but just spend their time in amusement, spend their time um, organizing balls and organizing and trying to please women, trying to please people around them. So the same came down to the ordinary people. They tried to pretend being close to nobility, being close to richness, being close to reverence, to dignity, though they weren't so. Beautips, as his companion describes, has no claims from his own merit to distinction. He is possessed neither of abilities nor of virtue. It is enough for him that one of his ancestors was possessed of these qualities. Nobility degenerates as it goes down generations. Maybe an ancestor of Butibs would have been um, a lord, a noble lord, but by the time uh, it reached down to Butibs, it had degenerated and his state was almost that of a pauper. The essays of Goldsmith are characterized by whimsicality, satire, as I told you, there is mild humor and there is graceful charm. You enjoy the essay thoroughly as you read each line of it, but you notice the satire behind it, right? As an essayist, Goldsmith is superb. His essays are satirical reflections upon the society of his times. He criticizes manners and ideas. In England, with a satire mixed the note of didacticism intended to reform the evils and teach the readers sound lessons in morality. All these essayists indulged in offering the readers some bit of lesson on morality, and Goldsmith is no exception. कैरेक्टर स्केच की जब हम बात करते हैं तो ये जो ब्यूटिब्स है एक फैशनेबल व्यक्ति है और जो निर्धन होते हुए फूलिश होते हुए भी बहुत अच्छे उच्च कुल का और बहुत अमीर लोगों के संपर्क का अपने आप को बताते हैं. इस कैरेक्टर स्केच से राइटर किसी का प्रयास नहीं करना चाहते हैं, गरीबी के बारे में नहीं बताना चाहते हैं, वो उस दंभ की ओर आपको इशारा कर रहे हैं जो कि नोबिलिटी, जो कि रॉयल फैमिलीज में, जो कि अमीर परिवारों में, जो कि सम्भ्रांत परिवारों में आ गया है, और जिसकी वजह से उनसे संपर्क में रहने की चेष्टा सब करते हैं और अपने आप को संपन्न बताने की कोशिश करते हैं। तो इसी की ओर एक कटाक्ष है, एक व्यंग है राइटर का। राइटर के पूरे उसमें एक ह्यूमर है, और ये जो व्यंग है, ये जो सटायर है, इससे कब व्यक्ति का मजाक बनाना नहीं है, बल्कि उस समय की सोसाइटी में जो कमियां आ रही हैं, वो जो बुराइयां व्याप्त हैं, उसकी ओर इशारा करना है।